Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 20th of March, 2023. We're going to talk about Binance today because if you guys are avid followers of Binance and CZ, you already know that the Commodities Futures Trade Commission has sued Binance and CE, and that apparently may have an impact on price. We're going to look at the price chart in relation to the news that just came out yesterday about Binance, and we may have to go ahead and cancel out this price prediction that you guys see is before me because that news could be detrimental to the price progression of Binance. So let's talk about it real quick. So you guys can see right here, here's an article, one of the many articles that came out yesterday speaking about Binance and CZ and how the CFTC is suing Binance over willful evasion of US laws, unregistered crypto derivatives products. Now check this out. You guys can see here at the bottom highlighted section, the lawsuit filed in the U.S. District Court for the Northern District of Illinois on Monday alleged that Binance operated a derivatives trading operation in the U.S. offering trades for cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Tether, and Binance USD, which, okay, this is how they're able to sue Binance and CZ, which the suit referred to as commodities. This is the commodities or Commodity Futures and Trade Commission. That is how they're able to create jurisdiction over Binance and CZ. It's because they're literally trying to say that these cryptocurrencies are commodities. Now you have the SEC saying that they are securities. Now you have the CFTC saying that they're commodities. You guys can kind of get an understanding how confusing these regulatory bodies are when it comes to this particular asset. So I can understand why people who operate exchanges who are offering staking and other altcoins and cryptocurrency in the market is running around trying to figure out, okay, which type of regulatory body is going to control this particular type of asset class. They have no idea. None whatsoever, because they're getting hit from every side of people trying to figure out this is a commodity. Then you have another section saying, no, this is a security. Then you got another section saying it's neither. It's a totally different new class. Now, the CFC is charging Binance with violating laws around offering futures transactions, illegal off-exchange commodity options, failing to register as a futures commissions merchant, designated contract market or swap execution facility, poorly supervising its business, not implementing know your customer and anti-money laundering processes, and having a poor anti-evasion program. So, obviously, you guys can see as this process continues to play out in Binance that could be a negative aspect on this price. So looking at this though, like, we shouldn't really be too surprised that the market in Binance is going down anyway. I'm going to show you why. First of all, we've understood that Binance was showing some resistance at $340, right? Take a look at this. We can tell that $340 was already a hindrance in Binance's progression upward. We already knew that. And I brought that to your attention on my last video, which was on the 22nd of March. Look how many times the market price action in Binance got rejected. Once, twice, a third time, fourth time. This is the fifth time that Binance got rejected. And now we have this CFT lawsuit against Binance now as well. So when you compare all of these things together, none of this is seemingly bullish. That is weakness here. And since we saw price get rejected in Binance at 340, I'm here to tell you already that my idea of looking for Binance to trend higher is gone. I need to understand that the market is no longer bullish. We have a greater probability of seeing prices go down. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go ahead and cut this last price prediction out the way. So we will be down 5.61% right now outside of Binance hitting at 340. Okay, so let's go ahead and check this out on a 2-day chart. And currently here on the 2-day chart, the last couple of 2-day price bars, we've seen price close lower than the previous 2 days. Again, it tells us how weak the market is in Binance. Okay, cool. Let's look at this on the 3-day chart. Now we have 13 hours and 8 minutes left on this current 3-day price bar, which again, it doesn't look bullish. Now I'm here to tell you right now, in the next 13 hours and 7 minutes, if Binance looks the way that it looks right now, then yeah, we're going to continue to see price go lower. Here's Binance on the 5-day chart. Currently, we're definitely seeing weakness here into the market in Binance there. A weekly chart, 2 weeks, And here it is on the 3 weeks. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and place some weakness into the market in Binance. I'm not going to be extremely weak right now because I definitely want to see how the market takes this information in of the CFTC suing Binance and CZ, and what other type of information is going to come out from their investigations or the discovery as they do this lawsuit. So let me go ahead and put this on the chart though real quick. We are looking for price, however, to trend to the downside. 340 is resistance. So even if we do see price begin to go higher, we understand that the price weakness is definitely present. Our first target is going to be there around 300. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you all this with the magnifying glass. So that's around 2.5% move to the downside. $300 is there first. That's our first target. My second one is going to be around 290. That is around 5.81%, $290. And then the third one is going to take us all the way down here to 280. So it look like in $10 increments is where we're placing our target. It's 9.22%, $280. Now I'm just going to leave it there for the moment, but understand as time goes on and more information comes in to try to shake out the buyers into the market in Binance, we could definitely see the market come all the way down to our ascending line. Okay, down here and test that. But that is it. I'm done. Subscribe to the channel if you guys want. If you don't, I understand. I'm simply here giving you all information according to the charts way before anyone else. And if you want to get that heads up first, then definitely follow me. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.